Welcome to our detailed tutorial on evaluating the integral of a trigonometric function. Today, we will focus on the integral, int cos⁸x sin⁵x dx. Let's proceed through the solution step by step. The first step is identifying the strategy. Since sin x has an odd power, we can separate out one sin x in cos⁸x and x d int cos⁸x c dot sin⁴ x dx. Next, we can use the Pythagorean identity, sin⁵x1 minus cos⁵x. This allows us to rewrite sin⁴x sin⁵x, which equals 1 minus cos⁵. Therefore, the integral transforms to int cos⁸x 1 minus cos⁵x dx. Now we proceed with substitution by letting u equals cos quad tex, thus quad du minus sin x dx. The integral changes to minus in u8 1 through 2 du. Next, we expand. 1 minus u2 squared 2 equals 9 is int u8 minus 2u10. Each term can now be integrated to yield minus left frac 1 9 u9 minus frac 2 11 u11 plus frac 1 13 u13 right plus c. Now we substitute back u equals cos x minus frac 1 9 cos 9x plus frac 2 11x frac 1 13 13x plus c. The evaluated integral results in minus frac 1 9 cos 9x plus frac 2 11 cos 11x 13 cos 13x plus c. This completes our evaluation of the integral. In conclusion, we have successfully evaluated the integral by applying trigonometric identities and substitution methods. Understanding such strategies can enhance your problem-solving toolbox in calculus. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like to explore more topics, feel free to ask.